Is Wayne State University truly a haven for free speech, or has the right to speak out become dangerously restricted? That's the powerful question making headlines, as a prominent Muslim civil rights group has boldly declared Wayne State a hostile campus for open expression, and they have the stories and allegations to back it up. But here's where things get controversial. The Michigan chapter of the Council on American-Islamic Relations, CAIR, convened a press conference Monday morning right outside Wayne State University to announce that they believe the school is systematically silencing the voices of Muslim, Palestinian, Arab, and anti-genocide students. According to CAIR, what should be a vibrant space for healthy debate and dissent has become an environment where speaking out can come with consequences. Wayne State, in its official communication to the media, countered these allegations, asserting its unwavering dedication to upholding freedom of speech, expression, and religious practice for everyone on campus, including students, professors, and staff. The university emphasized its responsibility to maintain an atmosphere for civil discourse and made clear that it enforces laws and university policies in a way that does not infringe on anyone's rights or disrupt the educational process. As a university, we are bound to uphold open dialogue impartially, ensuring that no acts on our campus violate rights or disrupt our mission, the statement read. Standing before the instantly recognizable green and yellow W, Dawood Walid, the executive director of CAIR-MI, argued that students felt their ability to express themselves was under threat. Attending university is about not just gaining knowledge, but also being able to freely voice your concerns without fear of administrative punishment, or even worse, law enforcement intervention, especially at an institution students pay to attend, Walid declared. He drew historical parallels, reminding listeners that American universities have a long-standing tradition of student-led protests and political demonstrations, dating back to the Vietnam War era, and questioned whether this legacy was being undermined at WSU. Amy Ducore, CAIR's lead attorney, outlined numerous incidents that students had reported as discriminatory, pointing to examples such as the dismantling of a peaceful pro-Palestinian encampment on campus, running campus sprinklers at Spirit Rock purportedly to disturb religious gatherings, and prohibiting students from rejoining campus events after stepping out to practice their faith. And this is the part most people miss. These aren't sporadic incidents, but part of a concerning pattern, she said. Earlier this year, CAIR-MI took formal action by filing a complaint with the Michigan Department of Civil Rights, alleging that campus police grabbed, pulled, and forcibly removed Arab and Muslim students during a nonviolent anti-genocide demonstration at the Student Center. This kind of scene, they argued, should worry anyone who cares about First Amendment protections. Adding legal weight to the controversy, several WSU students themselves filed a lawsuit with the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Michigan. 4 students assert the university infringed upon their constitutional rights during a 2024 protest against the ongoing war in Gaza. The suit claims that the police and university administrators violated their First, Fourth, and 14th Amendment rights, citing instances of forceful raids, mass arrests, and ongoing acts of retaliation. Would you consider these law enforcement actions protection of campus integrity or suppression of essential freedoms? The university's atmosphere, according to student activist Mohammed Abuelanain, has noticeably changed. I've personally witnessed what seems like increased Islamophobic behavior, not only from campus police, but within the administration as well, he shared. For example, Muslim student events were allegedly subject to surveillance, and restrictions were placed on using sound systems, restrictions reportedly not applied to other student groups. During our events, police officers have been stationed in places they normally wouldn't be, and this only happens when we organize, said Abuelanain, who also chairs the Muslim Coalition at WSU. He further described incidents where Muslim women wearing headscarves were questioned about their student IDs without apparent cause, and noted a broader rollback of religious accommodations. "We're just trying to make sure our rights as students are respected and that police don't exceed their authority," he emphasized. Interestingly, CAIR officials say a Wayne state representative attended the press event but failed to make their identity or stance clear, a detail that some may find telling. Free speech is the bedrock of American society and our constitutional rights. College campuses, above all, should foster open debate and help students grow by exchanging ideas, Ducour asserted. She didn't hold back, directly accusing administrators and police of choosing suppression over genuine dialogue, setting back higher education's mission. "This isn't just symbolic. Our designation comes from recurring, thoroughly documented instances of abuse targeting Arab, Muslim, and pro-Palestinian students," she concluded. So, what do you think? Is Wayne State University upholding or undermining the very freedoms it claims to protect? Do you see these recent actions as necessary steps to keep order, or as unjustified suppression of student voices? Share your perspective below. Does freedom of expression have limits? And if so, who gets to draw the line?